So to use the grill on this Combi microwave and as part of my series, let's have a look at that now. Now just remember, I've got other videos for a full guide on using this Kenwood microwave, the Combi grill, microwave oven grill, and check those out at the end, okay? I've got links down below and in the channel. Now, first off, what you want is simply to come over and press grill combo. Now you've got, if you toggle through, press the grill. If you press the grill combo button, G1 is just pure grill, C1 is combo, and C2 is another type of combo. But we're just going to worry about the grill for now, because the combo puts both the grill element on and the microwave, which is a little bit problematic because you really want to raise your stuff. So if I put the G and then I put in, say, 2 minutes, and as I start that, it's going to start going right away, but hang on. Now I've added 30 seconds. If I press stop, I'm holding it. What you really want is actually to get something like this trivet here, and I can't remember if this one came with it. And put your food in on that, because I know it looks a bit scary, but you want that elevated platform because then your grill element will actually be much closer to the food, just like in a normal grill. So if I turn that on, and don't forget, right, you've got metal in there. Can't see anything. Don't forget, as long as you're putting it on the grill G only, the metal is fine. It scared me the first time, but it is fine. It's not going to cook your oven. However, if you put it on the combo, that's when you got to be very careful and not put anything metal. You could put some other kind of microwave safe risers in there, but just remember that. So remember, press the G, set it to G, then set your time. Obviously I can't start it with it closed, but then it's just press the start button. I press stop, let's have a look. And yeah, that is how you grill with it. Now, check out my full guide video here on this before you leave. I've also got links down below if you'd like to support the channel by having a look at these microwaves online. And, well, like and subscribe for more. I'll see you in another video soon. Thanks for watching.